Hi, I'm Denise Miller, your Leadership Lady Live. And as you know, we are in the fourth quarter challenge. Before we get started, though, I'd like to ask you to please remember to like this video, to subscribe, and to share it with someone you know. And lastly, I ask that you would invite someone to join you on this fourth quarter challenge journey. This month of October, we're going to begin to ask about things that we should stop doing, let go of doing. And this first week, we'll be talking about our health. What conversation are you avoiding about your health? As we move toward 2026, we want to make sure that we are body, soul, spirit, mind ready to walk in. So we're diving into the question that might make you very uncomfortable, but that's exactly why you need to ask it. If you haven't thought about your health lately, I ask you to start to think about it now. Today's topic will make you think much more about the you that makes you go. What questions are you avoiding about your health? Especially the conversations that you're not having with yourself. And I'm not talking about the conversations with your doctor, though that might be overdue. I'm talking about the internal dialogue that you have, the thing that you keep postponing, the one where you admit, I'm exhausted and it's not just about needing a vacation, or I just don't have time to exercise. However, I do have time to scroll for 45 minutes every day. Or I'm stress eating my way through every single day. Are those some of the conversations that you need to have? We avoid them because they're uncomfortable, but they always show up in our bodies. And when things show up in our bodies, ignored fatigue becomes illness, unacknowledged stress becomes chronic pain. Dismissed needs become crisis moments in our lives. And I can tell you about this because I've been there time and time again. So sometime by the end of this week, do something radical. Schedule a 15-minute meeting with yourself, a conversation with yourself about your health. Schedule it into your calendar, sit down, have that talk, show up like you would for any other meeting, and then ask yourself, what is my body trying to tell me that I keep ignoring? What boundary around rest or diet or stress or sleep do I need to set? Now, those who know me personally understand that I fight this battle. And so ask yourself what conversation you need to stop avoiding. And then this is crucial. Once you have the conversation, speak the truth out loud to yourself. Not in your head, not written in a journal, but get in front of the mirror, look in your own eye, and say what it is. When you confront yourself about what you've been avoiding, that is, and you confront yourself out loud, that is the most important kind of conversation you can have. Remember that the strongest leaders aren't the ones who push through everything. They're the ones who listen when their body whispers. Because if they do that, they won't have to go through dealing with their bodies when their bodies are screaming. Now, if you're ready to stop avoiding these conversations and actually do something about them, this fourth quarter challenge is just what the doctor ordered and where you need to be. We're doing this work together. We just started, and it's not too late to join or to invite others to join. We're also enrolling people for our 5-week Put Your Dreams to the Test Mastermind that will be starting on October 21st on Tuesday evenings, because 2026 requires a healthier, more honest you. And also, if you're a woman in transition and ready for transformation, our R4 cohort for the fourth quarter starts on Saturday, October 11th. There's time to join this powerful cohort as well. Visit my website or email me at Denise M at dlmstrategiesltd.com so that you can learn more about it. Your health is listening to you. So remember to speak peace and speak honestly to yourself. Have a great balance of the day. I'll see you next time with our leadership tip.